Hello everyone, welcome back to Kidzoba Care. Yet another episode with Mrs. Jingle Shah. In this episode, we're going to discuss about working parent, single parent, and of course the financial planning, which is very, very important. Let's welcome and let's get started. Hi Jingle.
Hello Tashu.
Okay Jingle, in today's society, mostly couples are working and then they finally plan their kids. So what do you suggest? How do they balance between their working life and of course, when they have a baby? So what about these working parents?
Tashu, the biggest problem the working parents face when they are expecting a parent or they're expecting the baby is time.
Exactly.
Time is the biggest factor that they have to juggle between the work which they cannot leave because there's nothing like that you to give up your career just because you want to get a baby.
Correct.
Now there are a lot of flexibility in working, so both the things are very easily possible. There are things like called creches, like daycare centers, where they can leave their babies.
Okay.
There are house helps available
Correct.
where they can leave their babies. And of course your extended family is there who can also contribute to that.
Correct.
Right? And other thing what the parents even should not fear is that the demands that the babies have, which they have to fulfill over the period of time, it gets difficult by the time. But by sharing the responsibilities between the father and the mother would really help them to overcome these problems.
Correct. Okay, and when it comes to, keeping a baby in a daycare center or maybe, making a baby spend time with their grandparents. So if that question is asked, so what do you think would be a preferable thing to do?
So if you have a daycare center near your place or near your workplace, definitely that is very good. Because what they can now teach the child is, of course, grandparents cannot match up to that. But of course, grandparents are there and they are going to give their love and shower the baby with all the goodies and everything.
Absolutely.
But it's to their limitations.
Correct.
But I think it's the best thing to opt for whatever things you have at your hand and at your disposal. Rather than stretching yourself out.
In our country, apart from the metros, big cities, where we have a concept of daycare. Otherwise, all small towns generally prefer sending the baby to the grandparents. So, the emotional angle is always a very important, it plays a very important role over here. So, according to you, daycare is a better option when it comes to baby.
Yes, otherwise at the most what you can do is you can guide your grandparents or your parents to how you would like your child to be brought up.
Exactly.
And nowadays grandparents and parents, I'm sure they all are very updated to what's happening and they are very accepting to the new ideas and the new things that are coming along. So I think a talk and an understanding between everyone is very essential for the right growth of the baby.
Exactly. So as you mentioned, new things are being accepted in the society. So a very, common thing which is generally abroad you see, and I guess it's happening in India also, but it will take time, about single parent. So, abroad culture is different, people accept them in society, and of course even a single parent, he or she can actually take care of the baby very well. So when it comes to us, so what do you have to say if there is somebody who's just taking care of the baby all alone? So what things that person should keep in mind and what all things are necessary for him?
Right. Single parents, as you think of it first, you get to name all the celebrities that have been taking it up.
Exactly.
The latest example of this is Sushmita Sen, who has done it and who started the whole trend of it.
True.
But of course one would say, oh, she's a celebrity and she has everything at her disposal, compared to what we household and the middle earning income group has.
Exactly.
But if you are single parents and if you are determined to have a baby, I'm sure first you have a groundwork ready in terms of your help, in terms of your finances, in terms of your requirements, your time.
Correct.
Because as a single parent, you will have to juggle alone between everything.
Correct.
It is not wrong, nor is it impossible. Correct. It may be a little difficult in the initial years, but once you are settled, the first 3 years, which are very crucial, but once you've crossed that barrier and the bridge, it's an easy cakewalk.
Okay, so it's an easy cakewalk according to you.
Yes, if you manage it and if you plan your things properly, yes, it will be.
I mean, in our society, there was a time when, women were being challenged that you can't take care of the kid all alone. But I think trends are definitely changing now.
Yes, definitely.
Okay,
they are
and
keeping
when you talk about their finances, so, do you think that parents should actually make some financial plan? They should actually do some kind of planning before they, plan a kid or once a kid is there in their life. So how important does a financial planning plays role in their entire lifestyle?
Okay. especially now, it's not like the earlier times where the inherited money was there. People used to be easy life. Expenses were not soaring through the roof. Demands were not there. Expectations were zero. But now, with the new things launching every second day, the brands coming in, flooding the markets with the new baby stuff.
Correct.
And so you do not want to compromise your lifestyle.
Correct.
With getting the baby, and nor do you want to compromise the baby's growth.
Correct.
By restraining and due to your financial constraints.
Correct.
So rather, if you know that you're planning for the baby, or even if you later come to know that, oh, I'm expecting by accident, it's better that you immediately go to a financial advisor or your accountant or your CA, get the new schemes which are in place in the market. The government has launched a lot of new schemes. A lot of private companies have launched a lot of new schemes, the baby money saving schemes for the child education, growth, welfare, everything. Rather, you start investing in them, saving. All these will have to be done and put in place by husband and wife equally.
Exactly.
And including your family, if you're living in joint with your parents, put them also into the picture, pull them up together. So together, everybody feels equally responsible. So not one person is burdened down with the responsibility and of the financial issues coming up and making a big issue and creating unnecessary tensions between family.
Absolutely. So I guess financial planning is equally important, but the entire family has to be very actively participated in that. Yeah. And single parent is definitely not difficult anymore for any person in India.
Definitely.
And of course, a person can definitely work and balance a kid at home.
Correct.
That's a very good point. I guess our viewers will be really happy knowing about it.
Perfect.
So according to Jingle, we have learned being a single parent is not at all difficult. So don't be scared if you're a single parent. Balancing between your work and your kid is not a tough job anymore. And of course, financial planning is very, very important. Very, very important. So don't miss out on that. There are a lot of other points that Jingle wants to share with us. But for that, you need to watch the next video. Till then, take care and keep watching. Bye-bye.